Amazon Prime users are getting an error code 4090 while they are going to download any videos, shows, and episodes to watch later. Amazon allows users to download content to watch later when there is no internet available. This feature is quite good, but sometimes users may face error codes on their screens while they are using this feature. This guide is for the users who are getting this error code and unable to fix it on their own. Method 1. Log out and log in again. It is possible that specific shows may not be available in certain countries, so if you are traveling abroad, you may not have access to some of the shows you watch. Logging out and then logging in helped many users to fix error code 4090 on Amazon Prime. So, if you have a proper internet connection and your subscription has not been expired yet, then you should try this method. Method 2. Clear the application cache. Firstly, open the Settings app, tap on Apps and Notification, and select Prime Video from the list of apps. Next, tap Storage and Cache and choose the Clear Cache button. After that, you can choose Clear Storage to delete the app data. Method 3. Uninstall and reinstall Amazon Prime. If all the above method fails to fix the error code, then you can try uninstalling and then reinstalling the application. This might be helpful to resolve the issue, as many users found this helpful too. Hopefully, the issue will have resolved now. Thanks.